Dear students, I welcome you for Prasad Maths Academy. Today we are going to learn about square roots. Okay, so you already in the last video seen already about squares. Now in this lecture we are going to learn about square roots. Okay, yes. So here, what is a square root, right? So you know what is a square now already, right? So what is a square? For example, if you 2 is a number, then if you want to find its square, what you are going to do? That is 2 square. Okay, square 2 square is, you know that it is 4. Yes, yes. Similarly, for example, if you want to find 5 its square, what you will do? 5 into 5, you will get 25. Yes, this is square. Now we are going to see about square roots, right? So square root is what? It is the inverse operation of square. Inverse operation of square means what? So for example, if you want to find the root of 4, that is square root of 4, you will get 2. So root of 4 is 2. Yes. So similarly, we can find square root of 25 is 5. So square root of 25 is 5. It is the inverse operation of square. Okay. So for example, if a square is there, if its area is 25, then its what is its side? Side is 5. Okay. So if area is 25, then its side is 5. That is, it's a square root side. Okay, square root of 25 is 5. So in this way you can understand what is a square root. Okay, now we are going to learn how to finding the square root of a number. Yes, so it is the inverse operation of addition is subtraction, right? So similarly, the inverse operation of multiplication is division. In the same way, we can find square root is the inverse operation of squaring. Okay, so you know that 1 square is 1. That implies square root of 1 is 1. So 2 square is 4. That implies square root of 4 is 2. Okay, so 3 square, it is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. Okay, in this way you can find the square root. Okay, so you can remember up to square numbers. You can remember up to, for class 8 you can remember up to square numbers 30. Okay, you have to by heart square and square root. Okay, now there is a different methods are there to find the square root. Okay, so finding a square root by repeated subtraction. So you already know that in the last lectures we seen that any perfect square number, for example 4, we can express it as 1 plus 3. Sum of first n odd numbers will give, that is 2 square, right? If you take two numbers, if you add odd numbers starting from 1, it will be 2 square. Similarly, if you take 9, it is 1 plus 3 plus 5. Yes, that is 3 square. So you know that the sum of first n odd natural numbers is n square. Okay, in the same way here the same concept is utilized to find the square root through repeated subtraction. For example, if I want to find square root of 49, okay, so it is a sum of odd numbers. Now here we are going to subtract odd numbers starting from 1. Okay, so till the answer gets 0. Okay, so first we have to take given number, that is 49. We have to subtract 49 minus 1, that is 48. Yes, now next step is 48 you have to take and subtract next odd number, that is 3. So you get 45, and next step is 45 minus next odd number, that is 5. We get 40. Next step is 40 minus 7, we get it 33. Again next step is 33 minus 9, we got 24. Next 24 minus 11 we get 13. So last step is 13 minus next odd number is 13. So you get the answer 0. So here how many steps we done for the subtraction? Here we done total 7 steps. Okay, so to get the answer 0. Yes, so therefore square root of 49 is whatever, how many steps we done? 7 steps. Therefore square root of 49 is 7. So this is what we are doing, a repeated subtraction method, finding the square root through repeated subtraction, right? This is one concept. And next concept is finding a square root through prime factorization. Yes, so here to find the square root of a number by prime factorization, for example, can we take one example so that you can understand very easily how to find square root through prime factorization method. Okay, so let us consider a perfect square number 6400. So I want to find square root of this number, right? So first what you have to do, you have to find its prime factors. So prime factors, we have to find prime factors of 6400. Yes, so that is 6400 prime factors. We'll do it here. Okay, so we'll divide by 2, that is 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 0 0, then 2 2 1s are 2 6s are, that is 1600, 2 it is 800, 2 it is 400, again 2 2s are, that is 0 0 as it is, 2 it is 100, so 2 it is 50, again 2 it is 25, then last 5, this is 5, 5 ones are 5 ones are. Yes, so the factors of 6400, therefore 6400 factors of this is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into, how many 2's are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 are there, right? So 2 2 2. Okay, so 8 are there. So again 5 into 5. So to find the square root of 6400, right, 6400, square root of 6400 is, from each pair you are going to write one number. Okay, so it is here 2 is a pair, so from that you are going to write one number. Second pair, from that also you are going to write one number. Similarly again this, and from the pair of 5 you are going to write one number. Therefore square root of 6400 is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 5s are, it is 80. Okay, square root of 6400 is 80. So first what is that, how we are going to find the square root? By prime factorization is, so whatever it is, if it is a perfect square number, its factors will come in a pair. Okay, its factors will come in a pair, so that so find, first you find the factors, prime factors, then put the square root symbol here. From each pair you are going to write one number. Okay, so and its product will be the square root of 6400 is 80. In this way we are going to find the square root of a given number. Okay, that is, one is repeated subtraction method, second one is finding square root by prime factorization method. Okay, so in this class we are going to see exercise 5.3, that is you are going to tell what could be the question number 1, what could be the possible ones digits of the square root of each of the following numbers. Okay, so for this, already in the first exercise where we learnt properties, that is number, unit place of a number, unit place, and unit place of a square number. Okay, we know this one, right? Square number. So depend upon that you can answer this question. Okay, so here we seen already, that is 1 or 9 ends with what? 1. If a square of unit place is 1, number is 1, its square always 1 or 9, it ends with 1. Similarly 2 or 8 ends with 4, then 3 or 7 ends with 9, then 4 or 6 ends with 6, 5 ends with 5, then 0 ends with 0. So already you've seen this property. Now we have to move in a reverse way, right? So here is square number is given. What is its square root? Means we are going to come in this here. Okay, so if it is unit digit is there, it may ends with 1 or 9. If it is unit place is 4, it may ends with 2 or 8. Here same way 9 is there, then it will end with 3 or 7. Similarly you can answer from here question number 1, that is unit place will be, square root of this unit place will be 1 or 9. Okay, similarly you can answer second question. Yes, it is ending with 6, so unit place of square root is, it will be square root is, yes, what is that? It is ending in 6, so it ends with 4 or 6. Okay, so remaining two sums you can answer easily, right? Yes. So next is question number 2. Without doing any calculation, find the numbers which are surely not perfect square. So which are not perfect squares. Okay, so this question already you seen in the property. If a number ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8, then it is never a perfect square. Yes, never a perfect square. Yes, so depend upon this you can say that which are not perfect square. So 3, it is ending with 3, it is not a perfect square. Yes, it is also not a perfect square, not a perfect square. Yes, 441 is a perfect square. Yes, so 2, 3, 7, 8 is ending with these digits, it is never a perfect square. Okay, so this is question number 2. Now about the question number 3. So here we will do any two sums, and remaining sums you can practice in the same method. Okay, so I want to find the square root of a number by prime factorization method. Yes, so for example we'll take it a number, question number 3 in 4. Question number 3 we're going to take, that is 1764. We are going to find square root of this number. So first we have to find prime factors, right? Prime factors. Okay, so 1764. So we'll find the prime factors here, that is 2, 8 are 16, 1 remains, 2 8 are 16, then 2 2s are 2 2s are 4. Yes, next is 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, this is 1. Okay, now we have to divide by 3. Yes, 3 1s are 3, 1 remains, 14, 3 4s are 12, 3 7s are 21, 3 4s are 12, 2 remains, 3 9s are. Now next is 7, 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7. So prime factors of 1764 is, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. So to find the square root of 1764, what we have to do, from each pair we are going to write one number, right? So each pair of a number, from this pair we are going to write one number, that is 2, this is 3, this is 7. So therefore square root of 1764 is, that is 2 3s are 6, 6 into 7, that is 42. Okay, in this way you can simplify the answer, right? So one more number we'll take, that is question number 8, that is 9216. Okay, so square root of this number we are going to find. Again we want first prime factors of 9216. Yes, so we'll divide by 2s are 2 4s are 8, 1 remains, 2 6 are 12. Again it is less than 1 is less than 2, so you have to put 0. 2 8s are 16. Okay, next 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, then 2 4s are 8. So 2 3 0 4, right? Yes. Next 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 remains, 2 5s are 2 2s are again 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 1 remains 15, 2 7s are 14, yes, 1 remains, 2 6 are 12, 576. So if you know the number which it is a square number, then you can directly write its pair. 576 is, it is a 24 square, so 24 into 24, that is 24 into 24 ones are 24. Therefore now square root of, now factors of 9216, right? So factors of 9216 is, therefore 9216 factors are 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 24 into 24. Okay, so just we have to express them in a pair, right? So therefore square root of 9216 is, from each pair you are going to write one number, that is 2, 2 and 24, right? So the answer is 2 2s are 4 into 24, that is 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, that is 9. So square root of 9216 is 96. So in this way you can find the square root of a number. Okay, so in the next question, yes, in the next question we have to find, what is that question? For each of the following numbers, find the smallest number, smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied so as to get perfect square number. Also find the square root of the square number so obtained. Okay, so we'll do only one sum from here so that it is time consuming. So we'll take one sum. Okay, question number 5, that is we'll take any one number. So for example question number 1, that is 252. So first we have to find the factors of 252. Okay, prime factors we have to find. Okay, then if you find the prime factors, if it is in a pair, then you can say that it is a perfect square. If it is not in a pair, then which is not pair is there, we have to multiply that number. Okay, so factors of 252 is, yes, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12. So 2 6 are, this is 3, then 3 2s are 6, 1s are 3, 7s are 7, 1s are. Okay, so therefore 252, so this we can write it as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. So you can see that here this is, these two and 3 are pair, but 7 is not pair. So to make it perfect square, we have to multiply by 7 on both sides. So 252 into 7, and here 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Okay, so now 252 into 7, that is 7 2s are 14, 7 5s are 35 plus 1, 36, 7 2s are 14 plus 3, 17, 1764. When you multiply 7, you get a 1764. You obtain a perfect square number here. So to find the square root of number obtained is, that is from each pair we are going to write one number, that is 2, this is 3, this is 7. So therefore square root of 1764 is 2 3s are 6, 6 into 7, 2 3s are 6, 6 into 7 is 6 7s are 42. So therefore the square root of 1764 is 42. Okay, yes. So similarly here we multiplied a number 7 to make it perfect square. If same question is there number in question number 6, which number we have to divide? Here we have to ask, they are asked about multiply. So in question number 6, which number we have to divide? So if it is number is like this, which number we have to divide? To remove the unpaired number. Okay, so to remove this unpaired number, we have to divide by 7 so that you will get a perfect square. Yes, same question means only there, here we done multiply, there we have to divide. Okay, yes. So we'll see one more sum regarding that question, same question number 6. Here they are asking about which number we have to divide, right? So we'll take 396. Okay, question number 3rd, which number we have to divide? Yes, so 396, we have to find its prime factors first. Yes, prime factors. Yes, okay, so prime factors of 396, right? So we'll divide by 3s are 3 1s are 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Okay, again we can divide by 3s are 3 4s are 12, 1 remains, 3 4s are 12. So divide by 2, 2 2s are 2 2s are, again divide by 2, 11. So 11 1s are 11. So therefore 396 we can write it as, that is 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 11. So here 3 is a pair, 2 is a pair, but 11 is unpaired. So here we have to divide by, divide by 11 to make it perfect square, to make perfect square. Okay, yes. So 396 we have to divide by 11, that is 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 11, divide by 11. So this 11 will get cancelled. So what you get now? So it is 11 1s are 11, 11 3s are 33. Here 6 remains, 11 6 are. So you get 36. So therefore square root of 36 is, from each pair you are going to write one number, that is 3 here. Then here one more from this two pair, from that you are going to write 2. So therefore 3 2s are 6. So in this way you can find the square root of 36, right? Yes. So question number 7. Yes, question number 7. Here the students of class 8 of a school donated rupees 2401 rupees for Prime Minister's National Relief Fund. Each student donated as many rupees as the number of students in the class. Find the number of students in the class. Okay, for example, if 5 students are there, okay, in the class, they given 5 rupees each, so total amount you get it as 25 rupees. So similarly here they given total amount is given 2401. So let us assume that there are x number of students. So and how many rupees they will give? That is x rupees. Okay, so x into x we get it as x square. So x square equal to 2401. Therefore x equal to, when you move the square to that side, you will get square root. So square root of 2401 will be the answer here. Okay, so you know already how to find square root of a number. So prime factorization method, right? So you can apply here, you can get the value of x. Okay.